I-25 scramble.
Sure.
Pull over. Stop your vehicle. Pull your vehicle over to the right. Derecha. Derecha y alto. Command 7 traffic center.
Go ahead.
Right now, northbound I-25, just passing over St. Francis, New Mexico, Charles Boy Sam, Zebra 79. It's a white Hyundai, looks like coupe. One female driver, she's not really stopping. I'm not sure if she's confused or ETOH or what. But if we could send me that.
60 Command 7. What's the reason for the stop?
I don't know if she's ETOH or what. She was driving 60 in the left lane. Now she's trying to get back on the highway. She pulled into the construction zone. Now we're back on the highway and she's still not stopping. I tried pulling in front of her to perform a blocking maneuver and she still didn't stop.
What's your 20 now?
We're still getting through traffic here on the I-25 area, but she's driving through the actual construction that is going on the road here. We're in between the barrels, so we're going to get slowed down here pretty soon.
Traffic. Direct, State Police is asking if you want spikes.
Stop! Stop your vehicle! Stop your vehicle! Stop! Stop your vehicle! Stop! She keeps weaving in and out of where this construction's at with all these equipment. We should get some spikes up here if we can.
Yeah.
Stop! Hey, stop!
What are your speeds in your location?
Speed 38. We're passing over. I'm not too sure what county road this is, but we're still northbound I-25 through the construction zone.
Okay, that's going to be my marker 286. Otherwise, State Police. Whenever we get a marked unit, you Command 7, let's go ahead and relieve him, since I believe he's unmarked.
She is back in the construction zone, just hit a couple of barrels. She's back onto the part where they just took it out here around us. I have a marked unit coming up now.
And that area.
Command 7 Santa Fe, I have comms now. I'll be taking over. So speed's at 44. We got a marked unit. Stop, trying to stop. She's pulling off now into the.
All units move to SL1. SL1.
225, can you break off with 261 here?
Vehicle stopped Santa Fe. We got her out. She's been detained as we speak.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! I got it.
You're breaking my arm!
Stop fighting. Hold up. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach. All over on your stomach.
I'm not drinking, okay?
Okay, all right. You're all right.
I'm not drinking.
Okay.
I just got over there.
Okay, let me stand you up, okay?
No, wait. You just messed up my arm!
Okay.
Ow! I wasn't doing
Yeah.
nothing wrong. You guys,
Okay. All right.
I just came out of jail, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
I don't want to go back.
I don't think you do. Let me check you, make sure you're okay, okay?
I didn't do anything like you.
Let me stand you up, okay? We're gonna get an ambulance, come check you out.
Oh.
Let's put her in your unit. Okay, let's go. Let me get my unit out of the road. Okay.
Let's go this way, man. I got her. Okay, move your unit. Move your unit.
Oh.
Okay.